Welcome back to episode 5, I believe. Opening Bloomburrow. Let's see how much we get this time. Just one. Lucky number 1. I'm going to go from the bottom. Have to take it out the box. Let's see if we get anything good. Since it's just one, I'll read through all of them. Let's go through the back. Dazzling Denial. Counterspell. Nettle Guard. Oh my gosh. Early Winter. Sky Skipper Duo. Cash Grab. Tempest Angler. Might of the Week. Meek. Free Guard Duo. Is it this one? Oh, Teapot Slinger. Okay. Thought Stalker Warlock. I believe it's this one. Nope. Feather of Flight. It is this one. There we go. Oops, sorry. Coiling Rebirth. If the card, return target creature card from the graveyard to the battlefield. That's not bad. That's actually pretty cool. Beautiful land. And let's see what shiny we got. Nice shiny. Quick and short episode. Thank you for watching.